Hey guys, welcome to the showroom. This is our showroom slash design center. Basically, after a water damage and after insurance has approved the project, a lot of our customers like to step in here and start designing the reconstruction. We've got anything from our cabinet samples here. We've probably got about 13, 14 different colors and styles, paint colors, grout colors. We've got some shingle boards for your roofs, and then flooring. Flooring is a huge part of reconstruction. There's a lot of times that colors and styles are discontinued, and even though it may be a small area, a lot of times it calls for replacing all the flooring. So again, it is a very large part of what we do here at Warrior Wolf. So we've got lots of samples. One of the biggest sellers in today's market is going to be your waterproof vinyl. We've got many, many, many options. It's an affordable product. It's waterproof, quick, clean install. Most of these products that are the waterproof vinyl are in stock. We've also got some engineered woods. Here, we've got some here. And then this is my actual favorite line of your pre-finished materials. This is Bellicera. It's a beautiful product, great clear coat, good warranties, stands behind their product, and that's something I really look for in the flooring space. We've got some more SPCs back here. We've got some LVTs down here. But basically, we would love for you guys to come step into the showroom and design your reconstruction with us.